In this video, I will show you how to exit big picture mode in Steam. This should be quite an easy tutorial to follow, but if you do have any questions or comments regarding this, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I've currently got Steam loaded and you can see we're in the big picture mode. Now to go ahead and exit big picture mode, all you need to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner and click here where it says Steam menu. Alternatively, what you can do is press escape on your keyboard, and again that's going to load up this menu. Now from here you're going to want to come down and click onto power, so don't worry, this isn't going to turn off your computer or anything like that. Just go ahead and click onto power, and as you can see we're going to get a menu come up, and you can see the option here to exit big picture mode, so just go ahead to give that a click. And that's going to revert back to the normal old school version of Steam. Now what you can do, you can actually disable this as well so it doesn't start up in big picture mode. So if you want to do that, all you need to do from here is come up to the top left hand corner, go ahead and click onto Steam. Then what you need to do is come down and click onto settings. So that's going to go ahead and open up a pop-up window like this. If you come to this menu on the left hand side, you then want to click onto interface. And then what you want to do is come down to this section here where you've got all these different options which you can turn on and off. As you can see, there's one here called Start Steam in Big Picture Mode. So all you want to do, you can see mine is currently enabled. Just go ahead and turn the switch off just like so, and when you next go ahead and start up Steam, it's just going to go ahead and start up in the normal Steam version without the big picture mode. So that is how to exit big picture mode in Steam. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.